Let's do a moment of review before we go on. So I have here a basic sketch which has our circle animating across the screen. So here we have step 1 and step 2 together. We initialize this as an int variable called x and we've declared it as 0. Step 3 is we're using it in the shape, and step 4 is we're increasing that variable so that every time it loops through the draw it has increased by 10, making it look like it moves across. Okay, and now if I want this movement to stop, this is the part that is now going to get wrapped in the if statement. So I'll say if x is less than 250, put in my brackets, allow this to happen. Oops. Okay, so now this movement can only happen while x is less than 250. So first, to make sure it's going to run, does it start out with x less than 250? Go up here, yes it is. So it should run and then it should stop once it hits 250. Okay, now if we wanted it to bounce backwards, well we have to change our statements here. So this is no longer going to be in the statement. This is now allowed to happen whenever it wants. But this is the thing that's going to have to vary, so that now becomes a variable. And I'm going to call it xter. And now I will initialize and declare it up here. All right, just at the same value I had it originally. So now this is moving along, and now I need to change this statement. I'm no longer saying if x is less than 250. I want it to be allowed to run all the time. And I'm going to say I want it to reverse when it hits 250. So instead it's if it is greater than 250 or x is less than 0. Okay, so now it's like I'm letting it run all the time, but when it hits its top point or its low point, then that's when we do the reversal. And that is xter equals xter times -1. Okay, so those are the 3 kinds of scenarios that we've worked with so far.